Hello, friends. Let's start Chapter 6. Chapter 6, a bunch of stuff that happened next. Haha. Meanwhile, ring ring. Hi, Dogman. It's me, Sarah. I just found a clue. The pet store clerk didn't steal money. He only stole little treasure chests. And guess what are they made of? Bark. No, they're made out of plastic. I just wrote a story about it on my news blog. Breaking news by Sarah Dav. Soon, the pet store crocs steal treasure chests. But why? So, my imposter is obsessed with treasure chests, huh? Aha! I know just how to trap him. And so, sharp metal. Triple flip. Oh, drama. Ready? Zuzz, zuzz, zuzz. Bang, bang, bang. Bzg, 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 bzg. Soon the treasure tank 2000 was built. Now I just need to fill it up with treasure. But how? Of course! Inventional cloth. This love ray should do the trick. Soon I'll catch my imposter and end up with a treasure full of gold. Treasure. Eehaw! Zoom! Meanwhile, on the other side of town, a mysterious stranger was up to no good. Kenny's real estate. Ding ding! May I help you? Yeah, I want to buy the biggest castle in the city. Right, that'd be $1 million plus tax. Okay, here you go. Clunk, clunk, clunker. Oh, what's this? It's a bunch treasure chest filled with gold. Right, but these aren't real treasure chests. Huh? This is just a bunch plastic toys, right? They're not real gold, right? They're not? The real treasure chests are wooden and filled with gold, right? Like that one on TV. Ha ha ha. Come on, everybody, fill this chest up with your treasure and stuff. Oh no, Petey the cat is forcing people to fill his treasure chest with loot. No, I'm not. People are giving me their loots because they love me. Here, I'll show ya. Hey, look, it's Petey. Let's run. With this permanent love ray, I can make anybody fall in love with me. Zap. Hey, look, there's Petey. I think I am in love. Hubba, hubba. Hey, Petey, let's get married and stuff. Yo, let's smooch it up, Brand. No thanks. Just give me all your money if you love me so much. Okay, here all our loots, handsome. Cha-cha. Ha ha. I must steal that treasure chest. Right, but you can't steal that. That's stealing. Don't tell me what I can do. Huh? With my amazing technological mind power, all matter is under my control. Be gone from me, Crash. Thank you. Come again. Chapter the 7th. Big Fight by George Herald. Meanwhile, soon things began to get out of control. Petey was zapping everybody with his love ray. Zap! And everybody was spelling under his spell. Zap! We love you, Petey! Dogman atop a nearby building watched the train below behind him. Ha ha! Quickly he reached in his shirt and pulled out his favorite bowl. Lick, lick, lick. Dogman tied a string to his bone and gave it a toss. Whoosh, whoosh, clank. Dogman gave the string a tight and then whoosh, whoosh, wham. Well, look who's finally showed off. I suppose you want to fight. But why should we spend our time fighting when it feels so much better to love? Zap! Ha ha ha! Hee. Huh? Hey, where did he go? Suddenly. Whoa. Hey, how did you get over there? You let go of that controller right now. That is not a ball. That's a sophisticated yank. The piece of machinery. Triple flip of Rama. Ready? Uh-oh. Clunk. Petey, are you okay? Yeah, I guess so. Oh, goody. Now we can get married. Hey, I want to marry him. He saw him first. Hey, wait just a minute. Kiss me, Petey. No, kiss me. No me. Hey, let's be responsible. Give me some sugar, baby. Yeah! Here, kitty, smoochy, meow. Your fur, chow. Let's have a fancy fate. It's meow or never. Granny needs a cheddar feeder. He isn't kidding around. Cat jail. Let me in. Slam. Open up, Petey. Sorry, losers. It looks like jail is the only place I'm safe. Petey, you're alive. You come back to me. My prayers have been answered. 'Cause you're the wind behind my wings. Wah. Chapter 8. Flat Cat's Favor. Haha. Meanwhile, back at town, terrors were still high. Dogman would not let go of the wall. Sarah tried to converse him. Drop the ball, Dogman. Zuzu tried too. Ruff. Even Chief couldn't make Dogman listen to reason. Bad doggy. That crazy dog-headed cop will never gonna let go. Fortunately, I have a plan. Come on, Dr. Boogie Feeba. Museums of natural history and stuff. What are we doing here? You'll see. T-Rex. Give me that can of living spray. Here you go, boss. Shake. Psst. It's alive. Roar. Obey spray. New. Shake. Psst. All right, listen up, bub. From now on, you have to obey me, and I order you to destroy Dogman. Let's go. Yeehaw! Crash! Say your prayers, Dogman. We're coming to get ya. Roar! Snap! Roar! We'll get up here. Flip Rama. Cheesy animation technology. Ready? Jurassic bark. Jurassic bark. Jurassic bark. It looks like this was the end for Dogman. Snap. Everyone was terrified. But then Zuzu got an idea. What are you doing in my purse, Zuzu? Zuzu, you're a genius. Chief, you gotta tell him. Whisper. Chief. Dogman cops. It's bones. Skeletons are made out of bones. When Dogman realized the truth, he stopped being afraid. Screech! Dogman loved bone. So he did what came actually. Like. Like. Triple tickle llama. Ready? Ha 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 he ha 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 ha. Said pop pop pop. Hey! Obey spray new. Warning! Laughter may undo the effects of obey spray. Well, at least I got the treasure chest. Hey Bob, guess what time it is? It's time to start spending some this moolah. Not so fast. Chapter 9. The mysterious stranger returned. Hello, some old dudes are fighting. Let's watch. You're not going anywhere. That treasure chest belongs to me. Oh yeah? Who are you? Who am I is not important. The important thing is what I can do. The mysterious stranger used his mind power to pick up a phone boom. But the phone boom beats me. Whoosh! Crash! The mysterious stranger then left a stack of newspaper. What's a newspaper? Beat me. Thrust. Bonk. Next he grabbed a mailbox. Mailbox. What's a mailbox? Beats me. Clunk. Then he grabbed some other stuff with his brain. Lulu's or baked goods. What's a fax machine? Beats me. Tank. What's a VCR? Beats me. Slam. What's the Apple Watch? Beats me. Tank. Things were beginning to get hopeless until Zuzu came up with a plan. Zuzu, no! Hey, that's my orange table. And this overcoat similar to property of chief. Somebody got a lot of experiments to do. Flippy? Why, Flippy, why? I guess I would like to know is how. Well, I'll tell you. Early today, I was minding my own business when I heard a loud sound. Slam! Followed by lots of little sounds. Blip, 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 blip. Suddenly, my brain began to think like never before. I became over the universe beyond my own. Soon I found that I could move things with my mind. I could make stuff to my will. I could walk, I could talk, and with a little duty, shipple, shipple, sniff, sniff, I could even pass as humans. Hi, Chief. And now I shall use my super mind power to steal that treasure chest. Hey, where did he go? That tank totally took off during your explanation, Morden. It went up that mountain over there. I'll get you, Flat Petey. This is the last thing I do. Zoom. Come on, gang, let's follow them in my cop car. Wee-oo, 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 wee-oo. Thank goodness for these snow tires. Soon they reached the top of the mountain. Hey, you guys missed all the fun. Poor weedy Flippy. He was so excited he forgot all about his water freezes up here. I've got to get. I just love frozen fish. Ha ha ha. Looks like we won, Fat Petey. What do you mean we? I did all the work. You're nothing but a mooch. I'm not sharing my treasure with you, bub. Boonk. Body scratches for dummies. With his last beat of super mind power, Flippy race and the book and speed read every page. Flip, flip, flip. I just discover how live forever. All I need to do is concentrate. Flippy calmed his mind and focus. Deeper and deeper, he concentrated. Soon, Flippy's soul began to transform into pure energy. It worked! But I must act quickly. According to that book, I only got 2 minutes to transform my soul to somebody else. Then I'll scratch their bodies and live forever. I think I'll scratch Chief's body. Run, Chief, run! Go ahead and try. You can run out a ball of pure energy. When Dogman heard the word ball, he stopped being afraid and just did what came naturally. Ready or not, Chief? Here I come. I'm coming to get ya. Schwab. Hey, let go of me, Dogman. Another time for you to play with. Drop me. Drop me right now. My time is running out. Suddenly, Flippy's soul began to get smaller. I'm melting and smaller. Melting and smaller. What a world. What a world. And smaller. I'm going up. And soon he was no more. Good boy, Dogman. Chapter 10. An ice ending. Alright, Flat Petey. I had enough of your monkey business. Now get in my car so we can all go home. Crack. You mean that car? You destroy my car. Now how are we supposed to get out of this mountain? You're not. You're supposed to freeze. Let's face it, I won. You see, paper doesn't freeze, but you guys will. If you just start walking down the mountain right now, you'll still be frozen solid before you got halfway to the bottom. There's no other way down. I got 3 words for you guys. Ha, ha, ha. So, do you losers have any last word? What could you probably have to say? Well, spit it up, man. Sklorb. Ew, gross. You got dog slobber all over me. Now I'm all wet and cold. Puppy was right. Paper doesn't freeze. But wet paper freezes very quickly. Flomp. Flat Petey was now a thick sheet of ice. Dogman climbed aboard, and so... Whoosh, 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 the whole gang zipped to the bottom of the mountain, laughing all the way. Ha 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 ha! Hey, my ovation word off. Isn't you glad you gonna obey nobody no more? I sure am. But there was one person who wasn't glad at all. Huh? Hey, you guys froze me and used me like a surfboard. Now I'm all scratched up. You can't treat people like that. Hey, Flat Petey, have you ever played rock, paper, scissors? I'm bored of the game. Why? Loving spray. Psst. Because scissors always beats paper. Triple snip all drama. Scissor. Ah! Don't get snippy with me. I like big cuts and I cannot lead. Yeah. Good boy, Dogman. You're a hero. Hooray for Dogman. Epilogue. We're going home to write our new story about our adventures. Okay, bye. Well, Dogman, it looks like it's being a long walk home. You know, today was a quick day. Nobody learned anything. There was no amount in it. rebirth and evolution, and no advance and strangers imprisonment or personal growth. It was all just a bunch mindless action and dumped like ever. The